I heartily welcome you to the 30 days challenge. As today is the first day, I'm so excited and I hope you're also going to participate in this 30 days challenge, right? So, as this is the first day, I decided to touch the basic concepts. I told you so many times, right? You need to have at least minimum of the minimum knowledge to start speaking English, right? So let us see those minimum topics, those minimum grammar concepts today. Coming to grammar concepts, it includes parts of speech, articles, tenses and some other grammar concepts, right? So in this video I am going to speak about the basic rules of the articles and parts of speech. So without any delay, let's get started. Hi, namaste, welcome back to Learn with Gowthami channel. I am Gowthami. So coming to parts of speech, there are 8 parts of speech. They are noun, verb, adjective, pronoun, conjunction, interjection, preposition and adverb. These are the 8 parts of speech. But now we are going to take a look on only 4 of these parts of speech, which are very important, and in order to start speaking English from the zero level, you need to know this. They are noun, verb, adjective and pronoun. These 4 are really important in order to start speaking the language. Okay, I'm not saying that the remaining are not important. I am saying that you need to have this knowledge on these 4 parts of speech in order to start speaking. Okay, let us see these 4. The first one is noun. A noun is a word that is used to describe a place, thing, person or an idea. Okay, let us see examples. First example is that I love to eat ice cream. In this case, ice cream is a noun because it is a thing. Okay. Second example, I live in Alluri Sitaramaraju district. Here, Alluri Sitaramaraju district is a noun because it is a place. Third example, my name is Gowthami. Gowthami is a noun because it is a name. I hope you are clear now. Okay. Next, coming to verb. Verb is a word that describes an action or a state of being. Okay. For example, I am speaking. Speaking is a verb. I ate. I ate my breakfast. Ate is a verb. Okay. I will go out. Go is a verb. Okay. Next, coming to adjectives. Adjectives are used to describe nouns or pronouns. Okay. For example, I have long hair. Here, hair is a noun. Long is an adjective. It is describing how long my hair is. It is describing what is the length of my hair, right? So here, long is the adjective. Next, let us see one more example. I like green color. Here, color is a noun. I am telling that I particularly like green color. Green is the adjective that is specifying which color I like. Okay. So here green is the adjective and color is a noun. Next, coming to pronouns. Pronoun is a word that is used in place of nouns. Okay. It means pronouns can replace the nouns. I, we, you, they, he, she, it, all these comes under pronouns. Okay. For example, Sita is a good girl. She studies well. Here, in the second sentence, she replaces the noun Sita. Okay. This is how pronouns are used. I hope now you are clear what are noun, pronoun, adjective and verbs. Right? You need to know at least these. Okay. In one of my videos, I have told you what are the top most words that are used regularly. Okay. I have given words that are mostly used. Please check out that video. I am going to give the link in the description box. This is coming to parts of speech. I'm again stressing that these are not only the things that you need to know in order to speak fluent English, but if you are a beginner, start with these. Okay, now let us see what are articles and how to use them, when to use them. I know that you are familiar about articles. Ye, an and the are called as articles. Ye and an are used to describe when you are describing something at the first time, and the is used when you are describing the second time, or when you are describing a particular thing, when you are specifying a particular one. Okay, this is the basic difference between ye, an and the. Let us get into more details now. Let us see an example for brief explanation. I want an umbrella. It means I want one umbrella or I want any umbrella. Okay. If I want only a specific umbrella, then I will say I want the blue color umbrella because I want that particular color. Okay. In the same way, ye is also used. I want a chocolate. Okay. It means I want any chocolate, one chocolate. It means I want one chocolate. It may be any chocolate. Now, I want the dairy milk chocolate. It means the chocolate I wanted is dairy milk, not some other chocolates like Kit Kat, Munch. Okay, I want particularly that dairy milk chocolate, so I am using the. Now let us see where we can use a or an. A or an, as I said earlier, it is used to specify only one thing. Okay, it is a big house. A big house. He has a big car. A big car. I want an apple. An apple. It means one apple. Okay. I drink a glass of milk every day. A glass. It means one glass of milk. He eats an egg daily. It means he eats one egg daily. Okay, in this way, in order to specify one object or one thing, you need to use a or an. Okay, anything. A cow is a useful animal. It means you are not specifying any cow, you are saying that any cow. All cows are useful. It means in order to say that in singular, you will say a cow is a useful animal. Okay. You can use a or an to name a member of a group. For example, he is an intelligent person in our group. Okay, it means he is that one person who is intelligent. I am specifying about one person. Okay, she is a brilliant girl in her class. It means in a group of class, in a group of students in a class, she is that particular girl who is intelligent. Okay, if you want to specifically talk or specifically speak about a single person in a group, then you need to use a or an. A or an can also be used while you are specifying the profession or any job. For example, he is a businessman. Okay, she is a doctor. She is an athlete. He is a cricketer. Okay, in this way you can use a or an before professions. A or an can also be used before nationalities. Okay, for example, I am an Indian. An. Okay, and in the same way you can use a or an if you want to mention about any religion. For example, I am a Hindu. A Hindu. He is a Muslim. Okay, she is a Christian. He is a Buddhist. He is a Sikh. Okay, in this way you can use before religions also. You can also use them in English expressions like I like you a lot. A lot. Okay, he had only a little bit of rice. A little bit. Okay, I think you are able to understand what I am delivering. Now let us see how can we use the. Okay, the is used if you want to describe any specific thing, or it is used as a second mention. For example, I bought a dress yesterday. The dress had 50% off. See, in the first sentence, what I was telling, I bought a dress. It means I bought one dress. In the second sentence, the dress had 50% off. It means that particular dress which I bought yesterday is 50% off. See, did you get clarity? In the second case, I am particularly mentioning. So, I am using the article the. Next, you can use the in order to define or describe a specific person or a specific place or a specific object. Okay, the is also used in order to mention the unique objects or unique things in the world. It means you will be having only one particular thing. For example, the sun, the moon. The can also be used in front of ordinal numbers. The first, the second. In the same way, it is also used to mention superlatives. For example, the fittest, the fastest, the biggest. The is used in front of proper nouns. Okay. For example, it is used in front of rivers. The Nile. It is used in front of mountain ranges. For example, the Mount Everest. It is also used in front of oceans. Okay. For example, the Antarctic Ocean, the Indian Ocean. Okay. So these are some of the basic things that you need to remember, where to use a, where to use an, and where to use the. Okay. Now, we also have some rules where we should not use any articles. Let us see some of them. You need to remember it blindly that you should not use any article before uncountable nouns. For example, I want some sugar. Sugar is an uncountable noun. Okay, if you want to get into more details, we shall see it in another video, but right now you need to remember that sugar, salt, okay, these are uncountable nouns. So in front of uncountable nouns, you should not add any article. You need to ask, I need some sugar, can I have some salt? You should not use I want the sugar. Another example is milk. Okay, I drink milk every day. Okay, I drink a glass of milk is indicating that you are drinking one glass of milk. A is referring to glass, not milk. And one more thing is that if you want to specifically say about a particular milk, for example, the milk is expired. It means that you are telling about a particular milk that is expired. If you are not specifying any such thing, then you should not use any article. You should not use the or you should not use any article before countries. Okay. For example, I love India. I love the India. Blunder. Okay. I love India. I love France. I love Italy. But in some cases, if it is a group of clusters, for example, the Andaman and Nicobar, okay, it is a group of islands, the United States of America. In such a specific cases, you can use the, but in general, you should not use the in front of countries. Next, articles should not be used in front of languages. My native language is Telugu, not the Telugu or a Telugu. Okay, I love to speak English. I want to speak Tamil. I want to learn Malayalam. In this way, you should not use any article before languages. No article should be used before meals. I had my breakfast, not a breakfast or an breakfast or the breakfast. Okay, I had my breakfast. I will have my dinner. Okay, I want to have potato curry for my lunch. Articles should not be used before names. My name is Gowthami, not the Gowthami or not a Gowthami. Okay, John, he is John, she is Anita. Clear, right? You should not use any article if you are speaking about something belonging to others or something belonging to yourself. Okay, for example, this is my bag. This is not a bag. Okay, I'm specifically saying that this bag belongs to me. In the same way, let me tell you one more example. Previously I told that a cow is a useful animal, right? It indicates all cows are useful, and you are speaking about a singular cow, so you used a cow is a useful animal. I would say this is his cow. Okay, it means this cow belongs to him. Specifically, I am mentioning that this cow belongs to him. That is why I am not saying it as this is his a cow or this is his the cow. Okay. In the same way, this is his dog. If you are mentioning in a regular way, not in a possessive way, then you can say a dog barks. Okay. Or a dog bites. But if you are mentioning or specifically telling that it is belonging to someone, then you need to say his dog never bites. Okay, it means his dog. You did not use any article there. Okay, articles are not used before many of the towns, cities, airports, streets. Okay, for example, New Delhi, Vishakhapatnam. So these are some of the rules that you need to keep in mind in order to start speaking English. Okay, I am again mentioning that these are not only the rules that you need to learn. English is a very wide language. You have many things to learn. Okay, don't rely on only these. I would be doing it later, but I want to just brush up your grammar rules. That is the reason I have mentioned specifically about only some of those, such that a person having minimum knowledge of English can also understand this and start speaking right from today. That is my main aim. Okay, you need to start speaking right from this first day of your English speaking challenge. Okay, I hope you are going to speak from today. Alright, so start speaking from today, and in tomorrow's class I am going to mention about some of the tenses. So if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel, put it in the comments what are the topics specifically you want me to do, and share it to your friends and family members who are just starting to learn English. Don't forget to click the like button. So thank you for joining me till the end. See you soon in the next video.